Hey y'all, I decided to try something fun and new this year for Valentine's Day. If you like this look, then keep watching. I'm taking my P. Louise base to color correct and create a nice canvas for my eyeshadow, and I'm also going to set that with some powder so I don't crease up. From this Morphe palette, I'm taking this beautiful shade to put in my crease. The shadow is very buildable. From the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place, I'm going to use this brown shade to blend out the harshness from the first shadow I put down. Blending is very important and it can make or break your look. I'm cutting my crease using that base I put down first. I spend a lot of time doing this, just trying to make sure that I get it close to perfect, you know? From that same palette, I chose this light shimmery pink for my lid and my brow bone. I'm going back in and I'm kind of lining my eye with that deep shade that we used, and I'm just using this brush to also kind of clean up any mistakes that I may have made during the process. I literally use the same products on my face each time that I do my makeup. I might switch up the routine a bit, but my products are pretty consistent. I was going for a glam with this look, so I made sure to do something more full coverage. Concealing and highlighting are two different things, so I use two different concealers to do that. And then you have to make sure that you're setting all of your creams. So I'm taking Midnight Banana Powder to set my concealer, and then the Black Radiance palette, I think it's a medium or medium deep. I'm using that to set my contour, and then the Maybelline Fit Me to set the rest of my face. I thought these rhinestones would be a super cute touch. I always have to add some sparkle to my skin with my Juvia's loose powder. And then for lips, I kept it really simple, outlining with brown, with a dark brown, and then using two nudes in the center for a nice gradient effect with some gloss. This look is so cute and it's very easy to do. I hope you try it out. Thank you for choosing this video and subscribe for more makeup tutorials.